Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I'm obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today we have a little Ulta haul. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe if you like what you see. Also, there's a join button right down there that you can click to get information about becoming a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. I'm gonna dive in. This should be a short and sweet little video. I am on a no buy, but I did need some sunscreen and some body wash, so I took the plunge and I made an Ulta order. I will also preface by saying I always save up my points for when I do need things so that I can use my points towards those purchases. And if I already know I need something, I kind of keep an eye out in my email and on the app to see if they have any gift with purchase type items. Because that's when I like to shop because I get more bang for my buck. So first up, the actual reason I made the purchase, one of my favorite sunscreens. This is the La Roche Posay. It's the Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen, and it is SPF of 100 for body and face. And this is a beautiful formula, very lightweight, very kind of milky and liquidy, not super dense or thick. And even though it does have a slight sunscreen smell, it's not overbearing. I don't feel kind of bogged down and weighed down by it. It's not thick. It is perfection. I really love it. I really try to get this when they do their sales, like buy one, get one, but have to have it. Love it. It's a wonderful product. Next up is the other reason that I was going to make a purchase. And if you've been here with me for 4 years, then you know this is the cream of the crop. This is my holy grail. You can't touch this. You can't get any better than this, in my opinion, body wash. It is the Hemps body wash. I got the white peach, rosé, and peony this time, and it is a limited edition. If you are somebody like me that you have very dry, dehydrated skin, and you're looking for a body wash that not only is going to smell good, lather well, the texture is very thick and rich and balmy, it's fantastic. But if you also want to stay hydrated after the fact, after you get out of the shower, this is for you. I love it. It's perfection. I have purchased and purchased and purchased, and I always get them when they are like buy one, get one 40%, which is why I decided to try the Hempz Shave Gel. This is the white peach, rosé, and peony herbal shave gel, also limited edition. So I will update you guys on this. I haven't used their shave gel yet. I have used their sun care products, and of course, I love this right here. So yeah, so I got that as well. I also, because I love the standard Essence Lash Princess or Lash, whatever it's called, I got the brand new Essence Another Volume Mascara, just better. And it says with hyaluronic acid and panthenol. I really like the components of this, and I'm not going to test it today. I'm actually very, very sick and actually on my way to the emergency room. But I wanted to sit down and do this because I don't know when else I'm going to be able to do it. So I will show you guys the wand. It is the type of wand that I like, and it already came out not super wet, which is also what I like. So the few makeup products that I do have here that are new to me, I would definitely try them for you guys in an upcoming video. I'm just honestly trying to get through this because Mama's in a lot of pain, so bear with me and bear with how I look, okay? Next up, if you know, then you know I'm obsessed with blush, and I love orange. Anything orange makeup is just perfection. This is the new e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush in Isla del Sol, and it is a hot orange. I'm so excited to try this. I've seen a few of you test this out, and you really loved it, so I'm excited about this. And having dry skin, with it being a luminous formula, I think I'm really gonna love it. Next up, these were buy one, get one free, and they were $20, but it is, I don't even know who these are by, to be honest with you. Oh, it's Ulta Beauty Collection, I guess. It is the Ulta Beauty Thor Love and Thunder Powder Brush. So, of course, I got two of them because they were buy one, get one free. So it was $20 for both. And one I'm going to put into a giveaway. But I'm hoping that this is as good as my Judy brush from the Crown case. I doubt it. I highly doubt it, but it seemed kind of like the same shape and stuff like that. And this, it's my holy grail, all-time favorite brush for bronzer. So I'm hoping that this is a dupe for it. I'm hoping that this is the same thing. We shall see. But the other one will go into the giveaway, and I will update you guys on this. Then I picked up a couple goodies for my sister. I'm not even going to take this out of the package. I will try to show you what it looks like. But her birthday's coming up soon, and she was born in Hawaii, so I did want to get her the Hula Honey Wet n Wild Stitch palette. It is a little face quad. And then she loves SpongeBob, always has loved SpongeBob. So I got this cool Best Buddies body butter, and it's SpongeBob. Again, these are not for me, so I'm not going to take them out of the package. And then I got a restock of my favorite brow products because I go through brow products very quickly. So I got the NYX Lift and Snatch. I always get brunette. I got the NYX Thick It Stick It, also in brunette. And then the NYX The Brow Glue. And when I bought these, they had a thing, if you spent X amount on NYX, you got a free gift. Shop smart, y'all. So I got this 3-piece little gift for free with my purchase of NYX products that I was already going to purchase and needed to re-up anyways. If I can get this open, I will show you what is in here. So we have a plump finish setting spray with electrolytes. That sounds super cool. And these, the Freebies, are part of their newest collection that just dropped. This is a NYX. This is Juice Gloss in Strawberry, electrolyte infused as well. And then I have a Plump Right Back Plumping Serum. Oh, that sounds amazing. Oh, serum and primer. Okay, that's cool. So I'll update you guys on those products. And then with everything that I purchased, things that I was going to purchase anyway, aside from this was a little bit of a splurge. I got all of this for free. And I will quickly just kind of take out a few things and just kind of show you. Things already falling on the floor. I like the bag. I like that it would be waterproof if you did want to travel with it. But there is a Lancome Regenerate Lift Multi-Action. There is a Too Faced Better Than Sex, my all-time favorite of life. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo. I'm assuming there's a conditioner in here somewhere too. And a conditioner. There is a Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. There is an ABH Clear Brow Gel. That's super cool. We have the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. We have a Murad Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. We have something from Elemis, a Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. There's still tons in here, y'all. We have a Fresh Milk Body Lotion with soothing plant-based milks. That sounds interesting and nice. We have a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Lifting Neck Cream. Are they trying to tell me that I'm old, y'all? We have a Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the brightening one. And we have a Drunk Elephant Wonder Wild Miracle Butter. And then there's still bunches of stuff left in here. So I always, like I said, I save up my points. I try to shop when there are sales. I do also believe there was a $3.50 coupon that I used that day. But I already knew I was going to buy the sunscreen and my body wash. So why not add a couple things to be able to get a free gift? And then the free gift with the NYX. That is how I like to shop. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Or any of these your holy grails? And what would you like to see first? Thank you for watching, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.